Water pollution is definitely one of the key problems of our days. It is important to clean wastewater streams to ensure that the water is safe for other uses, for the animals and other organisms that live in it, and also for the other use by us humans. Therefore, technologies that clean water and remove contaminants are of great importance, where these contaminants are inorganic or organic. One of the way of removing especially organic compounds as pollutants in water is through photocatalytic degradation, where various photocatalysts produce reactive species out of oxygen gas, reactive oxygen species that then can degrade organic molecules present in wastewater. Thus, this report on new perovskite materials that show a lot of promise, especially in solar cell development, but as we can see here in other places as well, is of importance and worthwhile having a look at. Thank you for your attention, take care, and see you again next time.